Okay, I'm going to play this. There are so many variations on it. I'm going to play it in the basic chords in C, G, A minor, and F. I'm going to put a little bit of a twist to it. I'm going to play "Love Will Tear Us Apart Again," because that featured in one of the live sessions. But this is U2, With or Without You. To say it's capo 2, I've not got a capo. It's basically the standing order, isn't it? Well, we never seem to be putting capos on the ukulele, but it seems to sound okay. Maybe it's in the right key for my voice. I do not know. But we're going to play it nice and easy. We're going to play this in C, G, A minor, and F. And C, I'll show you. C the G. Stone set in your A minor. Eyes. C the F. Thorn twist in your C. Side. G. I'll wait for A minor, U, F. So, the chords. If you are interested, if you haven't seen the chords before, remember I'm left-handed, you will be mirroring me. So we only ever play in these first 4 frets for most of the songs. 1, 2, 3, 4. In fact, I think we only ever go into the 4th fret for the E minor. So we'll just generally be playing in 1, 2, and 3. So, going 1, 2, 3, the bottom string of the 3rd fret, this is C. C chord, okay? G chord, I'm going 2nd fret, the bottom string and the miss 1 string, and there we go. That's, I think, D minor 7. Beautiful chord. But we're going to play the 3rd fret, 2nd string from the bottom. So we've got finger here, miss a string, 3rd string up, and then on the 3rd fret, 2nd string from the bottom. That's G. A minor, I'm going to take my pointy finger and put it on the 1, 2, 3 top string of the 2nd fret. A minor, and then F. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my middle finger on the A minor string, and the F I'm going to take by placing my pointy finger on the 2nd string from the bottom. Okay, so I've got my finger on the A minor, but I'm going to put this finger down here on the 2nd string from the bottom. That's F, and that is it. So G, C, G, A minor, and F. Okay, and I'm going to play 1 strum at a time. C the G. Stone set in your A minor. Eyes. C the F. Thorn twist in your C. Side. I'll G. Wait for A minor, U, and then F. That is basically it. How do I know that's basically it? Because I've got my little book. Okay, working from here, the IKEA book of madness and magic. There we go. So this is what I'm working from, as you can see there. This is it. That's very, very basic. And if you pause on that screen there, you'll see that there's quite a few bits missing. And I'm going to try and add those in. But you need to get the strumming pattern right. If you can play that, great, and then you can add all the other bits. So I'll show you. I'll put the chords up as I'm playing, and then you can play along. Okay, so I'm going to play this through as it is, how I've just played it, but I'm going to add some bits, and we'll see how we get on. Okay? Okay, so all the way through, I will put the words across the bottom and the chords. Same 4 chords, C, G, A minor, and F. We'll just see about including the bits we haven't included already. Please play along, get your strumming pattern sorted out. All down strums if you want, or down, down, up, down, up, and join in. Okay, starting with C. See the thorn twist in your side. I'll wait for you. Sleight of hand, a twist of fate. On a bed of nails, she makes me wait. And I'll wait without you. With or without you. With or without you. Through the storm, we reach the shore. You give it all, but I want more. And I'm waiting for you. With or without you. With or without you. I can live with or without you. And you give yourself away. And you give yourself away. And you give, and you give, and you give yourself away. My hands are tied. My body bruised, she got me with nothing to win and nothing left to lose. And you give yourself away, and you give yourself away. And love will tear us apart again. And love will tear us apart again. With or without you. With or without you. I can live with or without you. C, G minor, and F, all the way through. C, G minor, and F, with or without you. With or without you. Thank you very much indeed. The voice went a little bit in parts, but hey ho, not to worry. Fantastic. If you enjoyed that, please subscribe. There will be another U2 song coming up very shortly from the Nelson Mandela movie. I can't remember what it's called. Blanked. And more Josh Ritter, of course, and lots of other things. Please, any requests, please let me know, and we'll try our best. Those people who are just starting out with the ukulele, maybe you got one for Christmas. Let me know, and we will do all we can to help and support. Thank you very much indeed. Bye. Ciao for now. Thank you. Bye.